have to start, and then I will have to. Okay. So you can use the similar syntax with minimal combinations. Okay. You can use the with minimal changes, meaning. So if you Oracle SQL Developer use a SQL Developer, you just launched it, and when you are connecting, double click on it, it will probably ask for the Scott and Tiger. What are the values and all comes. So what is that? The password and all. So installation చేసేప్పుడే మీకు ఇస్తారన్నమాట, like the environment variable అది ఏంటి అన్నది మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తారు, connections to the values and all. Okay. So installation procedure అంటే నేను కూడా చూడాలి because it
నా ల్యాప్‌టాప్ లో ఉందండి ఆల్రెడీ.
యూజువల్లీ స్కాట్ టైగర్ తో ట్రై చేయండి ఒకసారి, SQL డెవలపర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి. సో ద టేబుల్స్ లైక్ బోనస్, ఎంపీ, డిపిటి, సాలరీడ్ విల్ కమ్ by default. Okay. These tables will be there. If and other tables and all the scripts and all, but all these things I'll be sending you the create scripts. You'll have to simply execute those scripts. That's what I was telling. DDL scripts from Informatica onwards. This is the DDL table scripts. So that you will have to execute those scripts. Okay.
Okay.
So if it's the syntax and all, you can just press on this employee table will come, and even department table you want to join with the department table also. The department number, you can use this join condition and all what all there in Oracle. Okay. What am I trying to say? That you just try it in your SQL developer only. Okay. Can give it a select employee number Oracle. So you try in Oracle and you tell me, Andy, because all these things, as I told you initially, I'm going to tell them in SQL. And once Informatica starts, I'll be letting you know how to connect with the Oracle backend, all these tables and the scripts and all in Oracle format. Okay.
Okay.
This create scripts and all that stuff. That's how I have decided basically. Okay. So you can cover everything. Okay. Now. If you see, this is your create script. You will have to simply execute this script. And there are insert scripts also. There are 3 source tables that is I have given it to create itself. Okay, to be created, DDL tables and all. There's RCMP tables also. Okay, you can create and you can just try it out and do. Okay. Well, see, when it comes to Informatica only, like, all the Informatica queries we will be doing it in the Oracle only. See how I'm doing with the, minus, union, all this stuff. Okay, the minus query. In Oracle, minimum changes are like, with the, instead of except clause, we will be using minus somewhat. This is for except. Okay. All right. Now, did I start recording? Okay. Now, after this joins and all, you can install even SSMS also, and SSMS lighter edition ఉంటుంది freely. You can download it from internet. Try to download it, or with minimal fee ఉంటుందేమో ఒకసారి lighter edition చూసుకుని try it on SQL Server అండి. If you are well versed, well, ఎందుకంటే syntax will be much more easier అన్నమాట. SQL మీకు ఇంకొంచెం user friendly. Okay. And now Microsoft Cloud Services వచ్చేప్పటికి మీకు Azure అవన్నీ, like, it could be Azure Databricks and all, it is more compatible with SQL. Now, let's move on to the next topic. Until joins we were done, right? Date functions. Date, cast, convert, case statements ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీకు వచ్చేప్పటికి ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఇది అయిపోయాక ఇదంతా మీకు Oracle లో ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు. అంటే హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ మ్యాపింగ్ ఇన్ Informatica and then Informatica with Arkle anamata, the connections and all. How do we verify these things in backend from Arkle? All these SQL queries. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what are the different date functions that we do have? Okay. So, date, how it accepts, like, MMDD, YY,
MMDD.
it's equal like YYY, MMDD, right? There is higher date, which is a date field in SRC EMP. If you see SRC EMP, the columns, higher date is what? Date and time field that we have created. We have seen when while creating itself, right? What is the difference between date time and date and time? I'm sorry, date and time. Date and time will populate the timestamp also, HH:/MM:/SS: nanoseconds. Okay. If it is date, only date is going to be displayed. Okay. Now, I just wanted to select only the year of this particular date. Meaning, I want to select all the employees. If you see this one, who joined greater than 2020. Are there any employees who joined later than 2020? That also we'll see. We'll accept one record. We will just set one record. 2020. Location is null. Location is null. Salary equal to 6,000. Okay. Location is null. So I'm just, for our benefit, I'm just updating one records as 2020 10/5 and the higher date is. Okay. So higher date, if I don't give timestamp also, that's fine. Even the value is defined as date and time. What it will populate? It used to populate 00:00:00. Okay. Plus the timestamp it populates as MMDD, HHMM, NNSS. Right. This record got updated as 2020. Now I wanted to see all the employees whose hire date is greater than 2020, meaning all the people who joined in the last 4 years, right? Then if you type year of hire date will consider only the year part, because the SQL inbuilt format is YYY:/MM:/DD, right? YYY:/MM:/DD, year only I'm considering. So if I give this particular condition, the row number 2 will not come and it populates all the other records. See, except Sasha, whoever joined year. So year of this, whatever it is coming in the pink color, right? So this the center color of pen. So that is a built-in function. So it is going to display it in, it is going to consider only the year. Similarly, month. You can say that, it is a month of hire date is equal to where employee number equal to blah, blah, blah. You can year of hire date, month of hire date as month from SRC EMP. Okay. So you can say year of hire date is as year 2020. Month is second month, 10th month, whatever it is, the 5th month and all. Okay. So year, month, and day or the date functions, basically inbuilt functions, date functions. Year, month, and day. Okay. So individually, the date field will be split and it is going to come as year, month, day. Okay. Suppose hire date is 2023-24, right? What is the year? 2023. Okay. And the month is 2. If I'm going to display the day also, day will be 4. Like that, it is going to display. Okay. I'm just going to give day of whatever it is the field name, hire date. This as year, the column name heading will be displayed. whatever I'm giving after as date, as date. Okay. So this year is 2023. In this, you are just splitting it. Month is 10, 2, and day is 4. Okay, year, month, day. Splitting it separately. So that whenever you give the condition, you can give the condition, okay, where year of hire date is greater than equal to 2022 and month is greater than 3. Meaning, I wanted to see all the employees who joined after the financial year, like, 2022 March, right? In 2022, whoever joined after the financial year also, if I wanted to see, I can go and see like this. There are no people. I think we will have to update the values. We'll just update with, these records. 0 records. There is no salary. Equal to 5,000. Let's update with the 4,000. Okay. Just updating this condition, 2 rows updated. And then 2022 6-4 also, let me update. $10,000, let me give. So now, so she has joined, Sasha has joined, if you see. So 2022, how many people have joined? 2 people have joined. 1 joined after the financial year, 6th, meaning after March, and another joined exactly in March, 3/31. Suppose I wanted to see all the employees who have joined in 2022 after March, then how many records will come? This record only will come, right? Where year of hire date equal to 2023 and month of hire date is equal to greater than 3. Okay, because it is a month is greater than 3. It's only 1 record. And, or I wanted to see basically between this financial year, meaning people who joined after 2022 March and before 2023 April, right? Until March 31st of 2023, 2022 to that will be the financial year, right? 2022 April to 2023 March, right? Then I have given the condition, people who joined after, in 2022 after March, and or even they have joined before, or here I have to give the and condition also, if it is satisfied. Okay. Who joined like this between the records. I think the values are not there. Let me to say 2023 and month of hire date equal to 4. Okay, 1 has come like this. So let me update this as 4. Less than 4. Let me update it as 3. So who joined in this financial year? I'll get those people.
No one.
It should come, right? And month of hire date is equal to 2023. Okay, both should be happening in the same condition. So our condition I'll have to give, my bad. And will give what it will give. The same person should join between 2022 and again you are considering the same person. I mean year of hire date equal to 2023 and month of hire date is less than 4. So it is and condition, right? This person, what it is happening, 2022 greater than 3, which is 20, this particular record, Julie, and 2023 less than 4. So if I'm giving and conditions, both should be the same. So Julie and Jackie. With the or condition, it will give reason why. Julie, Jackie. If I'm giving and condition, right? One person should join in this as well as, and one person should join. Both the hire dates should be same. It is an and condition. 1, 1 should be true. But it is not possible that, one person will join on the same, 2 different hire dates, right? So I have given the or condition. Clear on this one? People who joined after 2022 March or
Okay.
on or before 2023 April, on or before, right? 2023
But
April.
and condition ఇస్తే ఎందుకు రాదండి? And
Or condition ఎందుకు అంటే we are getting the records, right? The second condition. What is the question? So if I'm giving and condition అనుకోండి, there is no chance always one person is going to join on the same day కదా.
Okay.
Join on 2 different days, right? ఇక్కడ and ఇస్తే ఓకే, ఇది సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి అండ్ కండిషన్ లో ఇది కూడా సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి. హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్, రైట్? 2 persons will be this equal to this and this. Okay, so I'm giving the or condition. Okay. This is for hire date day functions. Day 31 hire date, only day I'm just considering. Year of hire date equal to 2022. So you can just play around with all these things. Okay. Month, day and year only. Okay, there are all these combinations you can try. Now, let's come to the important date functions of date diff and date add. Date add and date diff. These are the built-in functions only. Okay. Date diff and date.
డేట్ లోనే చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా అసలు.
ఏదండి?
డేట్ లోనే చాలా
Date
ఫంక్షన్స్
లో చాలా ఉన్నాయండి. Yeah. Okay. Remember this date diff, data add are specific to SQL Server only. Okay. When you are using the same. So date is little complicated. That's what I thought. It takes 1 day. And then cast convert is also one thing, and case statement will put on the money. Maybe if time permits today, or if not tomorrow, we'll discuss those and we can start the Informatica. Okay. So what it will happen, date add function. What I'm trying to do is in date diff, the difference of days in terms of days, months or years, it will give one matter. Date different day. So meaning how many years it has been for Sasha that she joined. Okay. How do you consider number of years that she joined? Her hire date or joining date is this, and current day is today's date. What is current day? How it is comes as a current day? This is a date diff function. Get date or system date times is known as current. Date diff.
Get date.
Get date. Get date is the built-in function. So you can use print command also to display get date. Print of get date. Get date will display current server date. Actually, manaki emavutundante, like of course you are there, but if we are working from offshore and all, if the servers are at somewhere onshore, like US or wherever it is, that time zone's date will be displayed. If I connect it to Citrix and I'm logging in the client environment and all, right? So there will be difference in definitely time zone with respect to our local time zone versus the server time zone. Okay. Here it is displaying it as now because my local system, Indian time, it is displaying. Okay. Get date is May 11th, this one. Okay. So if I wanted to see date difference of days, in terms of days, in terms of months, in terms of year, I wanted to see. Okay.
Okay.
Then this is same. I don't know why again they have. See. So how it comes then, I'm going to select all this data from SRCMP and also date diff of in terms of days, how many days it has been when Sasha has joined. So I'm just giving the difference should be in days, months or years. You need to tell this to SQL, right? If I'm looking the difference in terms of months, meaning how many days it has been since Sasha joined, how many months it has been since Sasha joined, how many years it has been since Sasha joined. So if I'm looking for years, I will have to specify date diff of. This is the built-in function. Date diff of year, comma. When is her hire date? When did she join? That should be, it could be hire date, date of join, or whatever it is. Hire date, that parameter you need to keep. When did she join? Comma. Today's date, until today, right? Get date. I'm giving it. Okay. It is, I'm specifying it is in the year, and then the field, the customized field where you are storing the joining date value. It could be hire date, date of join, whatever it is, the field name. Okay. Comma, get date, the parenthesis, you'll have to, this is for the current date, you need to specify. Okay. If I see, difference between hire date. So it is not only for Sasha, for all the employees I'm saying. So difference is, when did they join? 2020, they have joined in years. Today, this year is 2024, it's been 4 years. 2022, it is 2022, it has been 2 years. It is 2 years. 2023, 1 year. 2024, they joined, so in the same year. Okay, if they joined. Similarly, if I'm going to see it in months, the difference will calculate in terms of months, because it is 2020 October, right? It will not consider the October, but in terms of months, it calculates 2020 October and October ki 48 months avutundandi. But it is May, right? Ante June, May will be considered June, July, August, September, October. Minus 5 months, 48 minus 5, 43 months it will come. The first one. Let's see. Yeah. 43 months it is coming. If you see, difference in months it is coming. Similarly, 2022 March. 2022 March ante 2 years. 2 years plus 24 plus April, May, right? 2024 March ki 2 years aindi, meaning 24 months. Plus 2 months. So it will calculate the difference in the months. Now this is May only, so it is giving 0, this month only, current month. Okay, this is 2023 March. So it is giving it as March to March, 12 months, April, May. Okay, it calculates. The SQL only will calculate the difference in months. Okay, now if you see in days, it's going to calculate. So if I say 43 months, and 43 into, on an average 30, somewhere near 129 దగ్గర వస్తుంది, plus 31 days also it calculates exactly. Okay, 130, 43 into 43 months కదా.
Yeah, 43 months.
43 into 12 into days it comes.
Yeah.
This you don't have to re-verify, because these are all SQL functions. System will calculate accordingly.
ఇప్పుడు 4 years 6 months అట్లా అయింది అనుకోండి, అట్లా రాదా? 4 years 2 months, 4 years 3 months.
అంటే మీకు ఇయర్ లో కావాలంటే ఇయర్ లో వస్తుంది.
4 years 3 months and 20 days అట్లా వస్తుందా?
అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకటి రాసుకోండి. డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ హైయర్ డేట్, డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్, ఇవన్నీ ఒక దాంట్లోనే డిస్ప్లే చేయండి. యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్.
ఓకే. యా.
డిఫరెంట్ ఫీల్డ్స్ కింద తీసుకోండి మీరు అప్పుడు.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ మూడు కమాండ్స్ కలిపి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయొచ్చా?
3 కమాండ్స్ కలిపి ఒకసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే, ఇది డిఫరెన్స్ కదా, డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ ఇయర్స్ తీస్తున్నాను నేను.
యా.
కామా డేట్ ఆఫ్ మంత్ అని చెప్పేసి ఇచ్చుకోండి. అని మీరు అన్నట్లు 4 years 3 months అని మనం దాచినట్లు రాదు. అయితే కంప్లీట్ మంత్స్ లో వస్తుంది ఇది డిఫరెన్స్ లో, లేకపోతే కంప్లీట్ డేస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే. ఈ కమాండ్స్ ఇచ్చుకొని మీరు డేస్లో ఇచ్చుకోండి. ఓకే, this is possible. You can call all these things the similar one. Okay, these are all customized fields కాబట్టి యాజ్ ఇవ్వక్కర్లేదు ఐడియల్లీ. ఓకే, so 4 years in terms of months it is 43 months and in terms of days 1397 days. ఓకే, సో ఇవి మీకు ఈ డేస్ ని మళ్ళీ మీకు ఇయర్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే 4 years 3 months and all that stuff that will be coming as a cast functions. Cast convert functions will be there. Okay, that we are discussing it. Okay, but date it will not consider like this. Okay, now similar to this, there is a date addition also. You can add, some of the days to addition also. Like, from now to in terms of days. Similarly, how many days you want to add to the current date or higher date? It's something like, date add up. Sometimes people will use date add and they will give negative value also over here. So that adds minus 30 days. Okay, previous days will come. So date add is a function. It is going to add similarly month, year. Okay, how many years or how many months you want to add and all. It is going to add like this. Okay, suppose date add to days. Like, I'm going to add 30 days. Then it would be, if I'm adding 30 days to the hire date, original hire date is 2020, 10, it will become 2020, 11, 30 days, right? Okay. So when I'm adding, it is going to be like this. And 2024, if I'm adding 2024, date add to days. How many days I'm adding? 2022, 331, 2022, 430 it became. 30 days, next month. 2022, 647 it became, 74. 2023, 312, 2023, 411 became. 2024, 5 to 610 it became. Because it's 31 days, 30 days add చేసినప్పుడు previous day వెళ్తుంది. The month which is having 30 days, it is going the same day. Okay, 74, 364 చూస్తే June will have only 30 days కదా. April will have 30 days. So okay, similarly you can add in terms of months also. So this is basically the month also. I'm just adding 3 months from today. I'm adding. This is 3 months, right? Then this is October 2020. October 2020 October. If 3 months from now, 11th is your November, December, and then January 2021, 112. It became. I'm just adding 3 months. If you observe this, okay. Similarly, 3 months, 6 it became. 2022 here also it got changed because the next 3 months. So this will be taken care by SQL only. 2022 plus 3 months, 9 months, 6 months, 3 months is 2024, 8. Okay. You can add even minus values also over here. So here also I'm just adding irrespective of months, then how it is going to display. If I'm going to add here. Same one, the year got +1, incremented by 1. Okay. Similarly, if you want to give minus also, you can give minus values also, date add. Instead of date diff, you want the date add to be minus, then minus also will come. Okay. Negative values, it will be added and it just gets changed. Okay, I think this is what is date functions mostly.
అంటే దేని బేస్ చేసుకొని నెగటివ్ యాడ్ అవుతుందండి?
అంటే there is a chance sometimes you need to populate in this format only, right? Minus values.
Okay.
Date diff లో అయితే మీకు సెపరేట్ లో అట్లా కంప్లీట్ గా అయితే డేస్ లో వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే మంత్స్ లో వస్తుంది, అలా వస్తుంది, రైట్? సో
Okay.
what people will do, they are going to do date add function. If this format, let's see, if I'm saying the same thing as minus 3 months. Okay.
Mhm.
So I wanted to see with the last 3 months in the actual somewhere I need to update and all. So you can just go with the -3. -3 అయితే ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 2020 10 10 12 కాస్త 7 అయిపోయింది. And it became like 2022 -3 meaning it became March కదా March 2020 నుంచి March Feb Jan and then 2022 or 2021 December కి వెళ్ళిపోయింది 31st based on the requirement అన్నమాట. So they wanted to revert in policies and all. What would happen? They wanted to revert అనుకోండి sometimes. They wanted to give some bonus, last 3 months bonus they're giving, right?
Mhm.
What is the
Yeah.
last 3 months bonus? Whether when did the person join and all they wanted to cut off. Then you can go with the date add up, last 3 months bonus, right? For the
Okay.
current date. Okay. So usually what will happen in QPLC allows the quarterly low. లైక్ ఆల్రెడీ వర్క్ చేసేసిన వాటికి ఆ Q2 క్వార్టర్కి వస్తుంది, Q3 క్వార్టర్ వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే Q1 ఎప్పటిదో పెండింగ్ ఉన్న బోనస్లు వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి. సో ఇన్ సచ్ సిచ్యుయేషన్ ఓకే అండి. సిమిలర్ టు యూ కెన్ గో విత్ ద డేట్
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
-3 సారీ ఇక్కడ కాదు ఇక్కడ పెడతా. ఇయర్ ఆల్సో -1 డే ఆల్సో minus whatever it is you can do. Okay. Even mostly like developers will write down when they are giving its logic based on that. But if you have to test that
Okay.
also, this is also the way. Okay. So minus 30 days. 9th, it became. Okay, September 12th. And if I'm giving it as a, similarly, all these things, -3, if I'm giving it as a -3, right? Then 3 months prior. 10 ది 7 అయింది, 3 కాబట్టి 12 ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్కి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. 6 3 అయింది, 3ది అగైన్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ డిసెంబర్ అయిపోయింది. 5th వచ్చి ఫెబ్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే.
Yeah. Okay.
So they wanted to give like last 3 months bonus or last 1 month bonus, whatever. This is date
Yeah.
when date add. Okay. So
But ఈ డేట్ యాడ్ 2 years అని రాస్తే టెంపరరీ ఉంటుంది కదా.
ఏంటండి
ఆ డేట్ యాడ్ 2 years అని అది కమాండ్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే చూపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఇది పర్మనెంట్ గా యాడ్ అయిపోదు కదా దాంట్లో టేబుల్లో.
No, it will. I mean, if you are storing this value somewhere in insert and all చేస్తే కనుక ఈ వాల్యూ పట్టుకొచ్చి టెంపరీ టేబుల్ it will store,
జస్ట్
but
ఓన్లీ
not
ఇక్కడ
on your
టెంపరరీగా.
SRCMP table and all. ఇందులో అయితే మీకు
Yeah.
okay. If you see, this is actually I'm calculating this and then I'm just displaying it. But you wanted to store somewhere, that is the programming people that they will do. They will write the function, they will going to insert this record. మీరైనా టెంపరీ
Okay.
టేబుల్కి వాల్యూస్ తీసుకున్నారనుకుంటే టెంపరీ టేబుల్లో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. ఆర్ యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఎ వ్యూ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, విత్ ఆల్
Okay.
దీస్ వాల్యూస్ derived.
Yeah.
But it will not be there in your SRCMP. If you see, my SRCMP doesn't contain date. Okay, that is at this display purpose. You want to store it into some temp tables, or ultimately you can store saying that select star into hash temp from, and then something give it as a. So in that template table it will be there, or in views it will be there. Okay, but this will be
Okay. Okay.
మనకి వచ్చేప్పటికి validate చేయాల్సి వస్తే we will say like this, because developers will write this functionality and they are going to insert the functionality. So if some logic is there that you will have to validate the dates and all, you need to use these functions and you can validate it. X also. Okay. Unless you insert this value into a table or view or somewhere in writing the procedures or functions, it will not be going to store. Temp table look we can put it. Right now, if you do
Okay.
select star from
Temporary.
hash temp, The temp table will contain this value until unless it restarts. The server restart. So you can use this temp table for the comparisons instead of doing all these things again, the calculations. Okay.
Okay.
So they will be writing over there in that table, you can do that, but you will have to define the logic, you need to write. So this is date difference, year higher date also, I don't know why did I, again, I'm just taking the get date to difference and all, I think date difference is comes. So print is the command to print it on the screen. Okay. To print on the screen also, print is the command. You can use get date. Sys date time is also one more built-in function, but we will use every time, like, so sys date time, it comes like, y by mmdt, HHMM, the nanoseconds part also. Whereas get date, it will give you only in the AM and PM format, not in HHMM SS seconds format. The only format, it will be different. Okay. So it is only simply the format difference.
Okay, yeah.
Get date and sys date time. All the fetches the same value. These are the date functions. Let's spread it off. I thought of completing cast, convert, and the case statements also, but we will have to. I think it's too late for you also. 7:20. We will be completing that tomorrow only. And then we will start ETL concepts from tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
2 days help, but at least this, if we can go on time, then I'm trying to wrap 2 plus 1, 3 days. 3 plus 1, 4 days. It is 5 days, 6, 7 days, 8, 9 days, 10, 11 days. More 11 days. We'll try to complete. More 11 days and almost like 24th complete చేసేద్దామండి. We'll target to complete. రేపు ఏమైనా పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుందా మీకు?
రేపు నాకు తెలిసి కొద్దిగా కష్టం అండి రేపు. కొంచెం బయటికి వెళ్ళే
అంటే
పని ఉంది.
ఇలాగే కొంచెం మార్నింగ్ టైం నేను తీసుకుందామని. రేపు విల్ బి అబిట్ ఎర్లీ అనుకోవచ్చు, బట్ రేపు ఏమైనా పాసిబిలిటీ?
అంటే అదే మీకు మార్నింగ్ అంటే నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ ఆఫ్టర్‌నూన్ కదా! సో
అదేలెండి. అదే.
ఆల్రెడీ బయట ఉంటాం ఈ టైం కల్లా.
ఓకే. అదేలెండి.
యాహ్!
ఓకే. ఆల్ రైట్ అండి.
ఓకే. యాహ్!
So
ఓకే.
would recommend you to practice more all these things.
యాహ్! యాహ్!
Tomorrow it's cast, convert, and case statements. Hypothese and we'll see.
ఓకే.
Yeah. Thank you.
యాహ్! ఓకే. థాంక్ యూ.